Hello and welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know who I am, so I don't have to go through the introduction. If you are new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad and you've been rocking with me, first of all, thank you that I have reached over 500 subscribers. I am still striving for 1,000 by December 31st.
Okay.
I know it's a short notice, but it's not impossible. In today's video, I know I am looking a bit different, but this is in the beginning stages. I am the brand ambassador for XOXO Posh Boutique, and that is @_XOXO Posh Boutique on Instagram. If you're not following, make sure you're following. I just had this idea to give you guys a little insight. One of the words that I use to describe my brand is authenticity. So I want to be authentic and show you how those pictures that you see on Facebook and on Instagram, they look flawless, but you guys have no idea what goes into capturing exactly what you see once it hit the internet. So I just kind of wanted to give you a little insight on it because I want to be as real and as transparent as possible. I am not perfect by no means. I love taking pictures. My pictures may look bomb to some. I may look like I am picture perfect, but baby, I have several flaws. But I hit the right angles and I show my best side on social media. And today I am taking pictures. I have several outfits that will be shared on XOXO Posh. And of course, if you like it, make sure you hit her up because stock doesn't last long. So let's get into the video. Am I standing in front of the thing? This is outfit number 2. Waiting on DeAndre to come to take my next set of pictures. The necklace fits right?
Yes.
Built in. Am I standing in front of the thing? Okay. I am still at it. This is the second to last outfit. Gotta make sure everything is together while I'm waiting on my photographer, aka DeAndre. Okay. Cool. D, why you didn't grab it? The last fit of the night. Broke out the hat, accessories, your exclamation point. will conclude a day in the life of the enhancer, the brand ambassador for So Posh. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.